What's going on today, everybody? So it's that time again. I've hit my next oil change interval of 1,000 miles. My first one. I've got two more, a total of 3,000 miles on this break-in fluid. So it's time to do an oil change in it. We're back at it again with some more break-in fluid. So we'll get to that and yeah, take care of it. Stay tuned. That's always a really good sign when you pull your oil drain plug off, the magnetic one, and there's there's a little bit of shavings on it, but there's like nothing on that as far as shavings. So that's really good. That means we don't have much shavings in the engine going through. Now, that being said, the filter probably is catching a lot of the shavings too, but still, to have a drain plug to come out completely clean, that's really good. One thing that I've been wanting to do for a long time is change out these lights right here for some actual decent ones. Now, the problem is these are more blue and these are more yellow. So it looks weird because I've got a blue light on this side of the tailgate, but yellow lights in here. So I got some white ones to replace these, and maybe I'll undo the lights for this one. I might. But this is my rear view camera, and it's got just a couple little LEDs in there that are actually blue, so I need to either get rid of these ones and I'm going to change these ones out to see if it gets a little bit better. I don't like the way that these ones look any more. So got new ones, they're LEDs, and we'll try to figure out if it's better than this or not. So there you can see the difference, the yellow bulb and then the blue lights. So they kind of shine. Of course, it's daytime, so you can't really tell, but they shine this blue light right in this area, and it looks funny from the back of the car. So I want to try to eliminate these, but these ones really help with backing up. I see more with these ones than I do ever with these. So we'll use some new LED ones that I got and try to switch these ones out. So here's the new reverse light or license plate light that I got. So it plugs into that bulb that's in there, and then this just plugs right in. It's got a clip on it, and it should just be plug and play, but to get to it you have to take all this trim out, and the lights are right back in here area. So to get that off, you just simply pull on this. I start in corners. This one comes off first, and then your sides, and then the back will come off. We can put this all the way up, but they're just pressure clips. Clip right in. Now that one's out. Pull on the sides. Those come off. Okay. Then the back one is the same. Pressure clips, and it will come right off. Now that that's off, set this aside. And you can see the lights are just right here. So this is the back side of that light out there. You can see kind of the clip that's right there. So it sits in there like this, and it slides in and then clips. And this clip is right there. But I don't need to take this whole thing out yet. I need to take this bulb out. And since this new piece just plugs into where the bulb goes, I don't need to undo the bracket. I can just twist this, just turn it down, and and it will come out with the bulb attached to it. So we'll pull this bulb out and we'll see the difference between the two. So to get that piece out, you just push on the inside here and you can push it towards the middle and it should pop out. There we go, there's the difference between the two. This one is a lot brighter. Now I've got 3 colors. I'm gonna have to undo, well, one of the LEDs is already burnt out on this one, but I'm gonna have to undo the lights to this to make everything look decent. When you guys are doing yours, you won't have this red and black wire in here. This is to the reverse camera that I have. But here's the other side, would be the passenger side. Just go and pull this out. And then to get this piece out, it's this side, and you just push on it. Push it in this way and push it out at the same time. It pops loose, rotates out, and go to the outside. You can just pull it right out. Grab your new one, put the wire through, make sure it's going the right way. This is oblonged a little bit. This part's for the piece that actually clips. So this piece moves in and out, and then it's just got a hook on this side that it hooks onto. So the hook goes to the flat side, the pressure clip goes to that side. So put her in, hook it, push it till it clamps, maybe. There it goes. Now it's in there, clipped good. Come back to this side, remove this light. Remove the light, plug the new one in, double check it, and then zip tie it. There we go, we got both of them working now. Now that we've got both of them installed, they're both zip tied up so they hopefully won't rattle. Let's put it all together. You gotta start with this piece, move to both sides, and then do the piece that's underneath the wing, towards the front of the car, however you wanna look at it. So I'll grab the other piece. Upside down. Make sure to work your way all the way around so you don't have anything loose. Now these ones have a little piece. Can you see it? Yes. That piece hooks into back here. Hooks into back here. So it's also got another piece right there that hooks into this little hole. So start on this side. Hook it into the hole in the side. Make sure you get all of them. Move to the other one. And then move to the faceplate. Same as the other ones. This has a little clip on this side and this side that go in these holes right here, and there's one over here. There you go. One right here, one right here. Make sure those go in. The flatter side goes down, then the angled side goes up. Pop those on. Done. Now I've got it all back together. Got all our pieces on. We'll close this. And you can see the lights down below. Now you can really see the lights. With it a little bit darker in here, they light it up a lot better than the old ones. You can really tell the blue hanging out on that one. So we'll see. I might have to. I can't undo these blue lights without actually getting into the backup camera. So I might wait on it. If they're burning out, I've got one burnt out. So if they're burning out already, that's fine. I'll wait for them to burn out. If it doesn't irritate me enough to actually tear it all apart and get into it. Sweet, we've got the new lights working on the car. Got the third oil change in, the first 1,000. We got that done. Everything looked good. That lights actually went pretty smooth. Those are pretty easy plug and play, and they make it look a lot nicer in the back. Not a fan of the yellow lights, like the white ones. That being said, I got to do all the other ones around the car too. I've got the front markers that I want to change out, but I don't know what I'm doing with the headlights. With the headlights hazing, I'm probably going to do some custom ones down the road, so I might hold off on those. Who knows? But the rear's done. I'm happy with it. Those are actually really easy to install. Hopefully they last a while. They're pretty cheap. I think I got them off eBay or something. One day they came in and I happened to have them. So that'll do it for me on this one. Everything's looking good with the car. Fixed that oil leak in the last one and got the tires on it. I think we're pretty well set up for this next week. Cool. Well, I'm gonna get out of here and enjoy the rest of my day. You guys do the same. Take it easy. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.